Willkommen in Mike's Organic Cafe. Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we're making Aprikosenkuchen, which simply translates to apricot cake, but we're using organic ingredients and collagen protein, so it's somewhat healthy, not just empty calories. And it looks very artistic. It makes me think of a turtle shell. Ingredients are 150 grams unsalted butter softened, a third of a cup erythritol, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, half a tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 cups unbleached white baker's flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder aluminium free, a splash of sea salt, a quarter cupful fat unhomogenized milk, around 15 washed, cut in half and pitted apricots, and 1 tub of cream, 200 grams, and collagen protein, flavor of choice, optional for serving. Step 1. Heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 170 Celsius. Then coat a tart tray with butter, then stick a baking sheet onto it, making sure the sides are covered so there's no leaks that go in your oven. Step 2. In your dough mixer bowl, add butter with the sweetener and vanilla, combine till it goes creamy, on low speed. Step 3. Beat in the eggs and lemon zest. I think this much would make the cake too lemon flavored, so I added a few pinches, but if you like your cake to be a little bitter, add the whole tablespoon. Step 4. Scrape the dough off the mixer attachment and remove it, but place it in a plate. Then sift in the flour, baking powder and sea salt. Then put everything back together and mix on low to avoid a huge mess. Add the buttermilk and continue to mix until it forms a dough. When it's done, scrape the excess dough off the attachment and grab the prepared tart tray. Step 5. Spread the batter into the prepared tart tray. This was hard for me since this is the first time making this cake. I wasn't sure about the consistency of the dough, whether or not I should make it a bit more loose. But I went with what I got, and in the end I figured out that it was easier to spread the dough out with my fingers than any utensil. So get in there with clean hands, of course, then carefully place the apricot halves on top to cover the surface flat side down. Step 6. Bake for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Step 7. Make sure the inside's cooked through by stabbing a skewer in the center. If it comes out clean, that means it's done. Remove the side tray. Step 8. If you like, grab a clean plate, add the cream and collagen protein, and mix with a spoon until combined. Then remove the baking paper and cut a slice. Put the rest in the fridge or pour the cream on and enjoy. If you have cake mixture left over, make some mini ones. Cut the apricot halves into quarters to put on top. One thing about fruit I've noticed, this may not apply to everyone, but when I eat raw apricots, for example, I feel and look bloated. But when I cook the fruit and let it cool, I'm okay. Heat must get rid of the fructose, right? Leave a comment if you experience the same thing. As always, stay organic and be seeing you. Auf Wiedersehen.